Hi my loves, welcome back to another vlog. So as you just saw, I took a relaxing bath this morning, but it was a pretty quick relaxing bath. We got up a bit late considering the time of our brunch reservation, which I mentioned yesterday, and I knew I wanted a bath today and I knew I wouldn't have it unless I had it pre-brunch. But I'm thinking probably shouldn't have even bothered having a bath because we're running a little late. So I had a very quick bath. Now Zach is upstairs getting ready whilst I watch the little one. And then we're gonna head out to brunch. Did my makeup extremely quickly as well today. It is not perfect. So if you see something that looks less than great, it was literally 5-minute makeup today. I did do a little bit of sparkle. Because you know people, it's Christmas. So yes, it's quite a lovely day outside, but I'm assured it's absolutely freezing. I'm wearing this Free People two-piece, which I love. It's a very good Sunday outfit. We've got a very elasticated waist, which is good for brunch. Also last night, I spent way too long and stayed up way too late figuring out all things about my new camera. If you do have this camera, I found some really good videos by this guy, just showing you all the kind of, settings for this camera, how to make the most of it basically. So I spent ages doing that. If some of these clips look a bit crappy, it's probably because I've over fiddled with the settings, but now I think I know what I'm doing, okay? But the reason I found him is, I know Baba. The reason I found him is because I was looking to see if you could get a flatter image color-wise in the camera so that it's better for color grading, and you can. On the Sonys, they are picture profiles. But anyway, I've got to attend to this child because she's desperate to pull up and come and see me, and I'm busy vlogging away, and she hasn't got any grippy socks on. Did Dad not put any grippy socks on you? Anyway, yes, yes, you can change the picture profiles basically to something, a bit of a flatter image. Guys, just come for a walk after our lovely brunch at Bistro Tech. It was lovely as always. Come to visit my old home, one of my most treasured homes. I loved living here when I was little. Now bringing the baby. But yes, we're on Columbia Road Flower Market basically, and we're gonna have a little wander down. It is absolutely full of humans. We didn't bring the pram, obviously, as you can see, for this very reason. I haven't vlogged in a while because the camera did die, because it was not fully charged after all my fiddling with it last night, but we came back from our very wholesome trip out. It was actually so nice to walk around Columbia Road Flower Market and show the baby where I used to live. It was very, very cute. And then we came home and I am now just preparing for book club. I better get on with it actually. I'm just going to reread my notes that I made when I read His Only Wife. But yes, going to prepare for Hina's book club, which I'm co-hosting, and I will see you guys in a minute.
Hi. First of all, we're so excited to have you here. We've been speaking about your book, obviously, because it's a book club, but non-stop we've been going ham. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. I want everyone to start submitting their questions now. So in the chat, or if whether people feel comfortable putting their hands up, like put your hand up and then you guys can ask Keys the questions directly.
am just about to get ready for bed. In fact, let me begin the process. So Hina's book club was such a lovely experience. Thank you so much if any of you joined us. It was so nice to talk about the book with you. Really fun, and it's got me thinking. Hina has totally inspired me. And let me make sure I'm leaving a link to Hina's YouTube and Instagram down below. She's a wonderful, thoughtful booktuber, vlogger, and she's also great on Instagram, really funny on Instagram too sometimes. She is wonderful, and if you're watching, Hina, thank you again for having me this evening. But yeah, I had such a nice time, and it's really got me thinking, and kind of I've been thinking more generally recently how much I'm enjoying talking to you on Instagram, like interacting with you guys, and just how many wonderful people follow me from all places around the world, and so many different perspectives, and you're also like thoughtful, and I've been thinking maybe I want to start like a Patreon or something, or Patreon. And whenever I've sort of seen mention of Patreon before and seen people talk about it, I've always been like, oh, like I'm not sure how I feel about asking followers for money for content, but I'm sort of beginning to sort of understand it a little bit better, I guess, because I think I want to create like a really safe space, community space, and the paywall on Patreon does help sort of filter out people who don't have such good intentions, and means that whoever's there really sort of feels connected to everyone else, and it feels like a little corner of the internet. So if you don't know, Patreon is like a subscriber service where you like be a patron of my content, and people use it for all sorts of different things. I could set up forums on there, or I could chat to you guys about various different topics. I think it would be probably book skewed. I'm thinking maybe we could set up like a proper book club on there, where we do little like Zoom calls together. I am not going to be as organised as Hina and get authors on board and all that sort of stuff. She's got the publishing connections, okay? And I'm really excited. Hina mentioned that she wants to start like an in-person book club, so I'll definitely be going to her book clubs. Yeah, I think it would be like book skewed, but people also often offer videos in advance. Like, you know, I've been doing a few VLOGMAS videos in advance, so I could maybe like offer some sort of early access to stuff, I guess. But yeah, mostly it's not really that I think, oh, you guys want to pay to see me, and I've always done everything online with no paywall, obviously, but it's more about creating, I think, a community of like-minded people. And if you want to chat books and stuff with like people all around the world, and yeah, we'll do like a more of like an official book club setup maybe. If you would be interested in that, and I'll try and make it as affordable as possible. Obviously a lot of work goes into the stuff people put on Patreon, that's why there also is like a little bit of extra cost involved. But yeah, you would subscribe, so it'd be like a monthly payment of something, and I'd make it as affordable as possible. I think you can have like tiers as well. But let me know if that's something you would be interested in. It might be something I'll be looking into in the new year, just because I want to have a safe space to chat to you guys basically and get to know you better. And lots of you have been watching me for such a long time, and I just want to chat to you basically. Yeah, there's some places where it's not always safe to have a little wander, and places like your YouTube comments are like that, whereas on Patreon, you know I'd be talking to real people, and people that are going to be like positive and have a really good impact on the rest of my little community. So if that does interest you, let me know, because I think, yeah, I'm thinking of doing that. I think I'm feeling really excited about it, because there's so many incredible people that follow me, and I want to just know you better and I want to do it somewhere that makes sense. But I'm gonna brush my teeth now and head to bed, I think. So thank you so much for watching today. It was also so incredible to see Peace today and to hear her speak about her book. Yeah, it's just, I don't really attend many talks or anything with authors, but I feel like I should be doing it more. I feel like so much stuff moved online during the pandemic as well, and I just didn't make the most of it at all. So I feel like I should be watching more lectures and listening to more talks by authors I love more often, because it's just so inspiring to hear them speak. And yeah, I love hearing about people's creative process. I really enjoyed hearing from Peace today as well. But anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you tomorrow. No, I won't. So tomorrow will actually be the 1st of December for you. So there'll be a little bit of a gap for me whilst I get everything in order for Vlogmas proper. And yeah, we've got a lot to do because we obviously didn't do a lot of sorting out up here this weekend, such as life, but hopefully we'll get a lot done this week. So that's what I'll be doing, and I will see you on Wednesday, I think, for the start of Vlogmas proper. Bye.